Hi there, in this video I'm going to be talking about tuning. This video can be used for violin, viola, and cello, and instruments that have the fine tuners and the pegs. I'm also using an app on my phone that tells me where the correct pitch is, and I'll be using that for each of the strings. When I play my A string, my app says it's registering red right now, so it's out of tune. It says it needs to be turned down. So I'm going to take my hand, use the fine tuner because it's a little bit out of tune, and switch it so that I get the A in the green zone. And by golly, there I am in the green zone. That A matches. All right, let's move on to the D string. Oh man, it's been a long summer with this cello, and it's registering as a B flat right now. That's really out of tune. And I'm afraid that I can't do it with just my fine tuner. In this case, I'm gonna have to use my peg. Now, as you use your peg, you're gonna wanna make sure that you loosen it a little bit. So I'm gonna twist down, loosen it, that you heard it. And now I'm gonna twist up. But as I'm twisting up, I'm not just doing a fast torque up, I'm also pushing it into the neck of the instrument. Registered a little too high, but I'm on the right note now. It registered a D, and I'm getting it closer to the green zone. And there we go, we got it into the green zone. I'll move on to my G string. The G string's registering in red, meaning it's out of tune. It tells me to tune down. So I'm gonna take my fine tuner and I'm gonna twist it down just a little bit. Got it into the green zone. All right, going on to the C string. Ooh. It's registering right now as a B, but that's not a B string, that's the C string. So I'm quite flat, but I think I have enough room on my fine tuner down here, so I'm gonna twist it up. Righty-tighty, making it tighter. Still need to go a little further. It registered as a C sharp, so I went too far. Still registering as that C sharp, not a C sharp string, not a B string, but a C string. I also kind of like to check with the fifths. Oops. And you'll notice if you're doing a lot of tuning, heavy duty stuff, you might have to tweak it afterwards. So my D's too sharp.